Carpenter ants are fascinating insects with a rich history and a unique lifestyle. Let's delve into some key aspects of carpenter ants, including their history, food preferences, colony structure, life cycle, color variations, and different types. History: carpenter ants belong to the family Formicidae and are known for their ability to excavate wood. They have been around for millions of years and have evolved to play essential roles in ecosystems by aiding in decomposition and nutrient recycling. Food: carpenter ants have a diverse diet, primarily consisting of sugars, honeydew produced by aphids, nectar, and other sweet substances. They also forage for protein sources like small insects, meat, and plant sap. However, they do not consume the wood they excavate. Colony: carpenter ants live in colonies comprising various castes, including workers, soldiers, and a queen. The workers are responsible for foraging, nest construction, and caring for the brood. Soldiers defend the colony against potential threats. The queen is the reproductive member, laying eggs and ensuring the colony's growth. Life cycle: carpenter ants undergo a complete metamorphosis, including 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The queen lays eggs, which hatch into larvae. Larvae are fed by workers and undergo several molts before entering the pupal stage. After the pupal stage, adults emerge, taking on specific roles within the colony. Color: carpenter ants come in different colors, with black being the most common. However, some species exhibit reddish or yellowish hues. Coloration may vary depending on the species and even within a single colony. Types: there are several species of carpenter ants found worldwide. Some notable types include Camponotus pennsylvanicus, commonly known as the black carpenter ant. It is one of the largest species in North America. Camponotus modoc, found in the western United States, this species is known for its reddish-brown coloration. Camponotus chromaeodes, these ants have a yellowish appearance and are prevalent in the eastern and central United States. Camponotus vicinus, this species is found in the Pacific Northwest and has a reddish-brown color with black abdomens. Each species may have specific habitat preferences and nesting habits, but they all share the common trait of excavating wood to create nests. Understanding the history, food preferences, colony structure, life cycle, color variations, and different types of carpenter ants provides a glimpse into their remarkable nature and the vital role they play in ecosystems.